We are always on the go. Eating healthy can be a challenge. One of the things that I love, and conveniently Lander loves it even more, it's his favorite meal, salmon baked beans. It's our twist, it's something that we've come up with. Let's make some of it. All right, this is a super easy recipe. What I do is I like the Eden brand lentils. So how Eden brand does it is they pressure cook these beans. So it breaks it down a lot better. And my good buddy Meg will tell us more about that coming up. All right, so we just put the beans in there, just start warming it. I've got it on low. With it being a baked bean recipe, I start with a base of a sugar-free ketchup. And so there's no sugar added, but this one is the Paleo Chef that we've got in Lander's Corner. And it's just, I put in ketchup. Ketchup first. And then with everything that I do, I just kind of do it to taste. The yacon syrup gives us the sweetness. So think brown sugar with a barbecue sauce. And so it already smells really good. And all that is beans, lentils, ketchup, yacon syrup. And then we can get the seasonings. I like the hogwash. It gives a perfect complement with the barbecue. And then take out the salmon. The salmon is Patagonia. So what I love about Patagonia is the mission. It's kind of the sustainability message. They've got a lot of documentaries on YouTube that are really worth watching and show about some of the challenges with what we face environmentally. But it's so cool. So it's already smoked, it's already cooked, ready to go. Look at that. It's just in a packet. It's in a packet. Big old salmon fillet. And I break that up. And so again, this is low heat. We're just warming it up. We're not really cooking it. It's really that simple. I'll also add other goodies. This is something that is relatively new, but since I've got currently he's 11 months old, baby, I want the food that he gets starting early is as important as it is later on in life. So the whole time. This is a Serenity Kids baby food salmon. It is a wild-caught salmon, 100% with organic butternut squash and beets. But what I'm able to do is add more goodies to meals like this, and the kids don't even know it. The family doesn't. So I put that in there. It mixes up. It makes the sauce just easy. Just about everything that I make, I add turmeric. A lot of the anti-cancer properties of turmeric, it's just when you cook, you can add it in there. It hides. It's the big thing with trying to get a 5-6-year-old to eat the things you want them to is they have a mind of their own. They don't always want to eat what Dad wants them to. This is salmon baked beans. It is really that simple. So I get home after a long day, whip this up quickly. The kids devour it. And we do this probably once a week. They get their omega-3s from the fish. They get protein, all the goodies right here. Salmon baked beans. And the best thing about it, got everything right here at the market to make it. We love sharing these recipes, love sharing the mission behind helping people overcome health issues, whether it's cancer or diabetes, anything, and we'll continue sharing, so let us know what you think. All right, Meg, I know you're getting ready, but you've got to try this.
Oh my gosh, is that what's smelling so good over there?
Yes, salmon baked beans.
Oh, it looks really yummy. McCoy, let's see how Mr. Logan did. Oh my gosh. You did such a good job.
Thank you.
I'll leave it.